Hi, my name is Mohammed Span. I'm a student of ETMC College, Federation University. Today I'm going to speak about one of the topics from the course Contemporary Challenges for IT Managers. My first topic would be computing infrastructure. In information technology and on internet, computer infrastructure is the physical hardware used to interconnect computers and users. Infrastructure includes the transmission of media, including telephone lines, cable connection lines, satellites, and antennas, and also the routers, aggregators, repeaters, and other devices that control the transmission part. Infrastructure also includes the software used to send, receive, and manage signals that are transmitted. In some usages, infrastructure refers to interconnecting hardware and software, and not to the computers and other devices that are interconnected. However, to have some information technology users, infrastructure is viewed as everything that supports the flow and processing of information. Computing computing infrastructure management refers to an entire range of planning, decision making, maintenance, and troubleshooting activities related to computing networks, primarily in business organization. One of the most important factors in the domain is ensuring a near total uptime of networks being handled. For most of these service industries, computers, networks, and internet are the primary working platforms, and computer infrastructure management aims to ensure that the development team gets an uninterrupted service. An essential part of computer infrastructure management is networking, but to understand networking, it is important to have an idea about what exactly a network means. A network is a collection of computers and other electronic devices like printers, etc., connected together through a common medium like network cabling or wireless technology to a giant global network such as the internet. The network can be used to transmit voice, data, and even video between users who are part of the network. There are different types of computer networking, but in a corporate house, the requirements are different. The total system availability requires coordinated service that covers hardware, network, and software requirements. Network system management is part of network support service that helps to integrate and manage multi-platform distributed systems, networks, and multi-vendor service. Multi-vendor services refer to the support of open system technologies. Computer infrastructure professionals are critical for the functioning of typical software firms and are highly respected by peers. It totally depends upon the experience of network administrator, as it opens up opportunities for one to further experiment in their career. As a matter of fact, there are ample examples where CIM professionals, after working in the industry for some time, have ventured out and started their own firm. Finally, I would like to conclude network infrastructure of computers includes computers, connectivity mediums like copper wire or fiber optic cables, and other devices such as switches, routers, hubs, etc. Other devices like the network interface card can be used as computers connection to network switches and routers. Switches and routers are some of the examples that provide traffic control strategy. Therefore, computing infrastructure companies play a significant part in evolving the internet, both in terms of where the connections are placed and made accessible in terms of how much information can be carried how quickly.